Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you hit the bell, and you also like this video. Yes guys, I have a problem. Ever since I fixed my screen, my phone had a cracked screen. Ever since I fixed the screen, guys, it's so, I don't know, it looks like it's so blurry or something. Imbashile, the quality just went down. I regret fixing my screen. I really regret it. Okay, the phone looks nice and all, but the quality, I'm not saying my quality was 100, but like ever since I fixed my screen, I'm even lazy to make videos, like, because even the last video that I posted, I was doing a what's in my bag video. I just posted, so that I can be consistent with my content, so that I don't lose views and all. I don't lose the little views that I have. But nje Aisha, as in, I'm not even in a mood to make videos anymore, because the videos are just not doing what they're supposed to do. And imagine if it was you watching another content in the with the blurry view, with it's a lot. Gunengi. Welcome to a day in the life. I'm just gonna get ready, then I go to run some errands, then we come back. I didn't even know that load shedding is back, but we currently don't have electricity, guys. My phone is on 15%, but I will try to make some content, and then I will make some breakfast when I come back, because we do not have electricity. Abang, let me get ready and go to the mall. I'll see you. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back from the mall. I tried to vlog nyana here and there, but I'm still so shy to vlog, guys. I'm still so shy to vlog. So I just took a nap. As you can see, the wig is off. I just took a nap. Still haven't had breakfast, Tabang. Let's make something to eat. It's no longer breakfast, it's brunch, kahle, because why? Let's make some brunch, then we'll catch up.